Hi everyone, welcome to Dave's Shed. I'm Dave, and this is Tito. Tito is 8 weeks old. In fact, he's just 8 weeks yesterday. And so Tito and I are both interested in wood, and we're both learning about wood, and we both have lots to learn. Looks like sometimes we end up with about the same outcome as well, unfortunately. But that's all good. I originally started this channel to show my family what I'm up to in the shed, but I wanted to take up woodworking as a hobby, and I found YouTube to be a really useful resource, and so I thought it'd be good to give back to the community. So I've started this channel and just so you can join me really on my journey of learning about woodwork and having a good time in the shed. I'll show you some of my projects, and also obviously the obvious mistakes and so on, and hopefully they'll improve with time. I'll also show you some videos about the tools and machinery that I've got or acquire as I go, which might be of interest, and just in general things about woodwork in this area. I'm in southeast Queensland. I also do some DIY projects around the house, so I might show you the occasional video like that, just for a bit of variety. But I want to focus mostly on woodwork and creating things. And my apprentice here might help us out. Or maybe you might not. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the channel. You're welcome to leave comments. Constructive criticism is always good. As I say, I'm just learning, so this is not a how-to channel. I'm not necessarily doing the correct or safest way. This is me learning, and this is what I've done. So yeah, helpful advice is certainly welcome. So stick around, watch some more of the videos. Please remember to like and subscribe, because that helps to encourage me to create more videos for you. And you'll need to remember to press the little bell notification, so that you get notifications about whenever I issue a new video. I'll try and put up 2 videos a month, but obviously we might be a bit busy. Hey Tito. So we'll just see how we go with that one. Anyway, look forward to hearing more from you, and we'll see you soon. Bye. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. You don't have to bite me. That's what the wood's for. That's what the wood's for. No, not, you don't eat people. No, you eat wood. Well, actually, you eat dog food, but let's not complicate things. Okay.